The Hoodie Girl. Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, there lived a mysterious girl. Known as the Hoodie Girl, she was a young woman who always wore a dark hoodie that concealed most of her face. Her presence intrigued the townsfolk, and they couldn't help but wonder who she was and why she chose to hide behind her hood. Every day, the Hoodie Girl would stroll through the town's cobblestone streets, her steps silent and her face hidden. She would visit the local library, spending hours immersed in books of all kinds. The librarian, Mrs. Johnson, was the only person who had seen the Hoodie Girl's face, as she had helped her find countless books. Rumors and speculations about the Hoodie Girl spread like wildfire. Some said she was a brilliant scholar, while others believed she had a tragic past she was trying to forget. One thing was certain: she was a mystery waiting to be unraveled. One sunny afternoon, as the Hoodie Girl was browsing the library shelves, a young man named Mark approached her. He had seen her there many times and had always been curious about her. Mark struck up a conversation, asking about her favorite books and authors. To his surprise, the Hoodie Girl's eyes sparkled with enthusiasm as she spoke about her literary passions. As days turned into weeks, Mark and the Hoodie Girl became friends. He discovered that she had an incredible love for literature and was exceptionally well read. Her hoodie, it turned out, was her shield against the world, a way to keep her identity hidden while she immersed herself in the pages of books. With Mark's encouragement, the Hoodie Girl began to slowly open up to the world. She attended local events, shared her thoughts with others, and even gave a talk at the town's book club. Her wisdom and insights astounded everyone, and they realized that the Hoodie Girl was not just a mystery, but a remarkable individual with a passion for learning. Over time, the Hoodie Girl's hood became less of a barrier, and her true self shone through. The townsfolk came to admire her for her knowledge and the depth of her character. She had transformed from a mysterious figure into a beloved member of the community. And so, the tale of the Hoodie Girl taught the town a valuable lesson about not judging others by their appearances. It showed that sometimes, beneath the surface, there are extraordinary stories waiting to be discovered, and all it takes is a kind heart and an open mind to reveal them.